Alright, we're going.
Where's the flashlight? It's better.
Mississippi for the second time. How it feels to chew 5 gum.
If we lose it,
Money, purse, money.
How it feels
I did
to
not
chew
see
5
that.
gum. How it feels to chew 5 gum. Ah!
Where's
Hi
good,
there.
baby?
Oh!
See you guys.
Oh!
Oh my
No!
gosh! How it feels to chew 5 gum. What the?
He's on
He's
crack,
jumping
dude.
over me now. This is what it feels like to chew 5 gum. Oh, hi there. Is this how it feels to chew 5 gum? Yes, it's how it feels to chew 5 gum. What?
Oh my god, he's coming! He's coming! He's coming!
That's terrifying! That's a scene! That's a scene! Okay, I have the defib. Okay, get the camera, and go.
Go around, I have no more team!
Oh, he's dead. Hey, hold on, film the purse. Purse!
That's how it feels to chew 5 gum.
Bro, there was like 2 flamethrower things on my ass.